Hey,
Oh, hey.
we have to lock in.
For...
Our final, it's worth half of our final grade.
Okay, what do we need to do?
Well, first we need to start with the presentation. And from the presentation, we need to start making models. With the models, we're going to need the 3D printers in a different place. Hello?
Oh, sorry. I thought I heard something.
Anyway, I've already started my paper. We need to make sure it matches up with the PowerPoint, and then we need to make sure that those models get brought to the class and they get painted properly.
Dude, seriously?
I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Whatever. But we seriously need to make sure that we get started on the presentation and the outline, because if we don't, then we're not going to submit it on time. If we don't submit it on time, then we're going to get a 0.
Dude!
Huh?
Wake up.